In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your week efficiently using the ChatGPT Atlas app. This approach can really enhance your productivity by seamlessly integrating insights from your favorite articles into your weekly plans. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the ChatGPT Atlas app. It's an intuitive tool designed to maximize the potential of AI in your daily tasks. By bridging the gap between artificial intelligence and personal productivity, ChatGPT Atlas makes complex tasks simpler. Once you've got the app open, our next step is to select a website that offers valuable content to help structure your week. For this demonstration, let's say you choose jamesclear.com, a site known for its insightful articles on habits and productivity. Navigating to a site like this ensures you're drawing from well-researched and practical advice. Now, while you're on the website, you'll notice within the ChatGPT Atlas app, there's an option called the Ask ChatGPT sidebar. Clicking on this adjunct feature is crucial because it facilitates a direct interaction with the AI, enabling you to tailor prompts specifically to your needs. The sidebar serves as your gateway to extracting personalized guidance from the article, so ensure you have direct access to it on your interface. Next, it's time to create a prompt. Imagine reading through an article, perhaps one on optimizing your morning routine or setting achievable weekly goals. A practical and effective prompt in this context might be something along the lines of, "Plan my week based on this article." You're essentially asking the AI to synthesize the article's insights and apply them to your personal schedule. Think of the prompt as a bridge that channels the author's expertise into actionable steps for you. Once your prompt is ready and fine-tuned, the last step is to click Submit. This action initiates the analysis of the content, making the AI work its magic by providing you with a customized weekly plan. What you're getting, essentially, is a blueprint for success that aligns with the strategic principles outlined in the article you've selected. To wrap this up, using ChatGPT Atlas in this way not only saves you time, but also enriches your planning process by integrating expert advice directly into your schedule. This method is particularly beneficial for those committed to consistently enhancing their productivity without getting overwhelmed by information overload. So, try it out with different websites and articles to tailor various aspects of your life efficiently. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this guide helps you in taking one step closer to a more organized and productive week. Make sure to explore and experiment with different prompts and content sources, and watch how your weeks transform with insights from leading experts. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on maximizing AI tools for everyday efficiency. Have a productive and insightful week ahead.